of the Lion's Nebula data that I gathered during past months. So as you can see here, I've done already the pre-processing. So I have the oxygen, I have the H-alpha, and I have the sulfur data. I actually did already, let's say, channel combination. I also, let's say, did before the linear feed, so all these channels now should be balanced, and we should obtain some interesting data to work with. So let's see what we have here. Okay, so as you can see, we have let's say nice lion. I think there is some green cast that now I will correct, and then we should be good to go actually. So the first thing I want to do is to remove the green cast from this image already. So I will invert the image, and I will do some SCNR. So I select the green, and wait, as you can see, inverting the image, you see that there is all this green cast around the star, which when it's not inverted is actually magenta. So we can do this first run here, and as you can see, most of the green is gone. Then let's go check again here. So yeah, the reddish cast that was here before, it's gone. The stars are, let's say, looking much better. There is some star which is quite some artifact, but we will check them later. And now I just want to quickly evaluate what's going to happen when I do also the removal of the green here. So here we are going to reach some coloring that is, let's say, more towards the Hubble palette. We have some orange, reddish, and some blue. So I think we can start working with this image already. I want to add a new workspace actually. Create a workspace. Let's make some space. So this is called edit. No, it doesn't change the name. Workspace 8. Okay, so where were we? Here. So I click here on the top, and I will send this to workspace 8, so that we have a clean workspace and we can start working from here. One moment, let me set something. And then we are almost ready to start. So the concept here is that basically this image has a lot of stars, and it will be quite hard to do proper deconvolution, because basically I will be not able to filter out with my star mask this very faint little stars that unfortunately are there. And I'm sure that if I try to then enhance the nebulosity, I will also enhance those stars, which I don't want to. So I was doing some research in the latest day. I found out there is a way to do a star net on the linear image, because this, as you can see, is still a linear image. And if I am able to do the star net in the linear image, then I will also be able to let's say enhance the nebulosity without enhancing the actual stars. So let's do like this. Let's start like this. Let's reduce it momentarily. Let's duplicate it. And with this one, I want to do, let's say, a quick no delinearization. So the image is not linear anymore. And I want to run, so let's change the name to show NL, non-linear, and then we rename this to show L. What I want to do here now is actually the star net, and I actually hope that my camera will not be interrupted while we do this, but in case it is, I will restart it, no problem. So let's go, let's start. And in the meantime, I want also to open Astrophotography in the meantime that we wait. So we can check some photo. Okay. So after we finish with this star net, I want actually to check the streaming and see if it's actually the audio is still synchronized, because I noticed that in a previous streaming my audio was not synchronized at all, so I want to check that. Okay, so this is from last year. Neovise, yeah. Yes. So clean this image, yeah. It's totally well deserved. Oh. Look at here. Nice. Okay, so Lion's Nebula. Meantime 24%. So let's see this image. Looks like these colors are more or less similar to what I have there. Yeah, actually it's the same let's say chip for the camera. It's the APS-C version, but I mean it's basically the same. See the original. Oh, look at this. Look how strong the signal is. Because actually, if we see my image, there is also a lot of data here around, and I don't see that very often in the images online. So good to know that this is, say, my image is real. It's not just noise or how to say light pollution or the moon. This is actually, I think, very close to what we have. Let's go into the detail. Yeah, this is very similar. Nice. His signal is much stronger because I guess he has a RASA. Wow, 8 hours. The signal here is huge. I will not filter out this signal, but I can see that it's quite different from the common, so it might be perceived as wrong, maybe. 55%, yes, StarNet is going to need quite some time, even with 52 cores, as I'm dedicating now 26 core actually, yeah, 26. Okay, nice. Then you see, I want to try later also one image with this greenish cast, so I will go back to my previous version and I will not do the CNR on the non-inverted image, and I will see what happened. 69%. I've checked this one. It's also a very nice image. This is much more reddish, and you see here there is the nebulosity around. What? Oh yes, this is let's say looking a bit like the image before I did the SCNR. Not bad. Let's filter. Award topic, image of the day, search. Wow. There is this ray here, the lighter ray, it's so nice. William Optics FLT 132. Peter Shaw, very nice. How many hours? 9 hours total, wow. Wow. Look at this. Beautiful. Oh, we are done. That's nice. So now just a moment. I want to check if the audio is synchronized. If not, I will think of what to do. In time, let's zoom it. Where is it? Here. Not bad. This is absolutely not bad to start working with. But I have a better plan. So just give me a second to check. Okay, so it seems that processing didn't, let's say, affect the audio, which is good, so we can go on. So actually my idea here is not to use the, let's say, star net on the nonlinear image. I just want to use, let's say, the star as a star mask. So I don't need this. I will close it. I have a better plan. I will identify this as star mask and L as non-linear. Okay, and we put this here on the top. So this is the linear image. So what I want to do now is I duplicate it just in case something happens. And I will apply a script that I found yesterday. It's called Linear StarNet and it's made by Edoardo Luca Radice, Italian friend. I mean, not friend, but as I'm Italian, I'm very proud of him. And here we put at 04 because I found out that why is this not going away? Is it blocked? Ah, sorry, because I cannot. It's just when the script is loaded. Ah, okay. So I will set this value to 04 and I will select show clipping mask and I will create star mask. No, I don't really care because I already my star mask. So let's go in execute and here now it will do its magic, which I just read it very quickly. I didn't go into the detail. I quickly checked yesterday that it gives very good results. What's the most important thing is that in the end I will not have let's say a starless version that is non-linear, but I will have it that is linear, so that I can do, let's say, some noise reduction in the linear phase, which I can control in a certain way very good, and at the same time I will be able to enhance the contrast of this image, and I should get, let's say, this nebulosity out a bit more without of course enhancing, let's say, the stars that in the end I want to reduce, because those stars are really invasive. So yeah, also this star net, let's say, will require some time. So we go back. We go back here. Let's see if I see. This one looks different. There is. So basically here, the area which is usually bluish, it's red, and this that usually is reddish is blue. So I guess this is like, I mean, this is reversed HOO, which means is OHH. So this is also with the same chip as mine. The stars look much nicer than in mine. You can see a lot of these small stars, but they are not so, I don't know, it looks noisy on my image. Here instead it's not so noisy. It's a better effect. So different approach, but channels combination of this object. H beta filter used instead of ace of sulfur, OH beta H half. So it's an OHA, OHH, but it's two different H filters. So one is beta, one is alpha. Okay. So yeah, because I see that's not really big color. I see like a purple here. Yeah, this is very nice. This is really nice. Let's see other photo. Okay. More classic, those ones. This one was really a different take. I think this one is a masterpiece. I really like it. In the meantime, we have 55%. Okay. Nice. Nice. Each channel 76, so 6 hours per channel, 19 hours total. 9 to 14 July. I think this is a very nice interpretation. And I see something interesting here, which I have also myself. This. So also that one is not a bug. I was thinking to eliminate it. This camera is so good. This camera is so good. Then let's see this one. Wow, this one is also particular. 71%. This RGB. Exposure RGB. And H alpha. It's for sure different. And it looks also nice. What telescope did you use? A Newton, yeah. Nice. Quite nice. The stars are very nice. Then let's see this one. Also look. Mamma mia. This with the Rasa. Oh. Mamma mia. And you see around. The H alpha is everywhere. I need a Rasa. I need a Rasa. Beautiful. Marcel Drexler, we are talking about the professional. Nice. This is all only HO. Oh. Okay. Yeah, you see this blue point, it was the red point that I saw before. There is some artifact every now and there, but I guess I will be able to cover it later. Wow, this star. I will be able to cover it later. You know what? I want to do a quick check. So let me duplicate it. Let's go down. Then I want to see where is this blue area. Okay, here, these bright stars. Good. So what I will do now is I will just make a crop because I cannot work on preview with this. No. I will just make a crop, dynamic crop, and I will make a crop like this. Then let's crop it. You see, it's this abomination of effect that is here. It does really a good job there. And now I will apply again the script, however with the higher value, to see if I can remove it. I don't want to see the clipping mask. And let's see if I can get a better result than this. Actually, absolutely not. Absolutely not. So let's go back. And I quickly try again to see if I can get a better result if I put 55. Let's go. It's quite quick for a small image like this. Does it look better? Not really. No, I think this one is the sweet spot. So good. Yes, thank you very much. Clipping mask, we don't need this anymore. Close it. And now let's focus here. Let's focus here. So, as you can see, we have some nice area here. And I want to increase the detail of this. So what I will do first is I will extract the luminance. No, I need okay, let's do like this. Let's duplicate this again. Then we non-linearize it, we stretch it, the linear. We will use that, we extract the luminosity from this. And with this luminosity, I will use it as a mask. Okay, so I can close again this, I don't care. However, I really, now in this very moment, I just care about the nebulosity here. The details are here. I don't want to increase details in here where there is some noise. I don't care. So where is it? Okay, let's make things smaller so more things will fit. I will do on this some histogram transformation. Let's see the preview. So wait, I have another better idea first. What I want to do is a new image, new, set as image. Yes, that's okay. Let's create it. Then what I will do is process pixel math. Where is pixel math? And I will subtract from this one the stars, which are here. So what I want to do now, also from here actually, I want to extract just the luminosity. So there is no RGB factor, let's say, and I will identify it as a star mask, purely star mask. Star mask, black and white, non-linear. We're getting confused with the image, with the name, sorry. And this one, I will close it, I will rename it as mask non-linear. Okay, so I have these two. I will go here and I will do it. So mask NL, mask NL, minus star mask, black and white NL. Okay, good. Let's see. Amazing. Truly amazing. That's very nice. So now we have this starless version. Well, then I could have linearized this immediately. Okay, I went the long way. Okay. And now I will say like this. No, sorry. I will call this starless mask, black and white, non-linear. It's getting complicated and complicated. I will duplicate this. This I put here. Now I do process, histogram transformation, preview, and I try to clip. Oh, that's what I wanted. You see, I want only to focus on the area of the lion. So let's see. And also I want to, let's say, make it stronger here. I want to make it balanced yet, and then I will do stronger in general. I don't think then I want to clip anymore the whites. I will do as, yeah, I like this. It's quite strong where there is this nebulosity. Okay, this is just because it's applying the same. Actually, I want to. No, I will leave it like this for the moment. Oh, okay, I was supposed to do it on another image, but it's still okay. What I want to do here is, you see this area, I want to include it, I don't want to exclude it. So I will do something that is very raw, but it should be okay anyway. I will take the clone stamp. Let's close the, no. Cancel, let's make it like this. What's happening? Big errors. I'm sorry. I didn't want to. Please don't tell me it has crashed, because it never happened in my life. I cannot believe this. Let's wait a few minutes. I cannot believe this. If it crashed, I will be pissed. Oof, mamma mia. Oh, please, come on. You cannot crash like this. Oh, mamma mia. Of course, it has to crash the first time during the streaming. Unbelievable. Is this because I have some artists full? Or is just... No, I have all the space I need. Oh, come on. I can select this. Wait, is this working or not? Oh, it's actually partially working. Man, this dynamic crop just used you for some quick thing not to crush it. So is there a way to stop whatever he's trying to do? Oh, no, 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 no. View Explorer, Process Explorer, Format Explorer, History Explorer. No, I don't want to. Oh, please, 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 please. Huh. Isn't it amazing, huh? How to waste. 40 minutes. How do I kill this? Huh. This stupid. No. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, my friend, but I would like to do something else, but you're not allowing me to. So what am I supposed to do? How to kill a process in pixel set. How do I reset? Where is this thing? Okay. Yes, I exit. Thank you. Let's do it quickly again. Anyway, what can we do? Open recent project files, Lion. Not a lucky night. So unlucky. Will take some time to load again, so let's go back. Let's go to the home. Let's see what's on the forum. Deconvolution Hub Eagle connection. Tortilla. I want to see some picture. Oh. I like. Aboldata. I always like. What telescope is this? Very popular. Melot 15. Starless version, I guess. Oh. It's a really nice picture. Oh. So in the next streaming I will be able to have here some. I will have to edit this. Let's say the Veil Nebula. I have a Veil Nebula data. I have data for the Pac-Man Nebula actually also. I also data for this. Actually I do, yes. It is so old, I have to find it again. I have data. I actually have some data for the Borders Galaxy, Cigar Galaxy. I have some H alpha probably, not all the data. Purple region is old image, but I should retouch it now that I'm getting, let's say, more confident with editing. I have Andromeda. I have the tadpoles. I have some California data. Okay, here we are. Back in business. Let's go. Let's channel combination. Now we go super fast because we did it already. So first of all, let's stretch it. Let's increase. Then we do like this. We invert it. We stretch it and we do the SCNR. Okay, thank you very much. Can you please stretch properly? Good. As you can see here, all the green will go away. Good. Then we come back here. We stretch again just to evaluate it. Hello? Hello? It's not responding properly. So again, good. Then we send this picture to the workspace 8. In this workspace 8, we do one thing. First, we duplicate it, and then we apply the StarNet. You know what I will do? No, I will do StarNet now. Sorry, process StarNet. So it will take some time, but with this StarNet, I want to create a star mask in. Wait, I made a mistake. I will do the following. I will first delinearize it, because I have to do StarNet in the non-linear version. And let's wait a bit. So the strategy is the following. I will have a linear image and a non-linear image. I will apply StarNet to the non-linear image, and from this process I will get the star file, the star mask, that I will use to then re-add the star in the last image, and I will use it also for let's say facilitating the masking of the linear image, where I will use the script from the Italian person that made this script, so that I will have also a starless image but in linear phase. On this starless image, I will be able to enhance, let's say, the nebulosity in the, let's say, core part here, without enhancing all the little stars that, as you can see now, they are quite a lot. They look noisy, they don't look so nice. So by doing this, because I'm sure that with this kind of image where the stars are very small, I will not be able to properly use a classic deconvolution. So I will do this other way, and I will, let's say, also in the linear phase I will be able to use some noise reduction process, which will let's say smooth out the noise, and it should give, let's say, some really nice result. So we are 25%, and we can continue while we wait. I know this guy, this is my image. Why is it here? Why is it here? I don't know. I knew that image. I actually took this image with my own telescope. Nice vixen. Achromat. So as I was saying, I have some data from the California Nebula to work with. I have a lot of data recently taken from the Crescent Nebula, SHO data. I have the Pelican Nebula data. I have a lot, and I can actually make a mosaic with the Cygnus wall. So Hubble Nebula, I have data. Oh. Oh. This telescope is f10 16 inch. This is the most beautiful image I've ever seen of the ESSS. Take my like. My god. Look at the detail. Wow. Amazing. I don't try to pronounce your name, it's too hard. Wow, this is also nice, the apple. So I have veil, yes, I have a mosaic for veil. These also I actually have to check the oxygen data that I gathered, but it's there. I have the cave nebula also. I have it. This is the veil, let's say the global, almost full picture. I have something like this. There is some minor mistake in my mosaic, but should be okay. No, Orion I don't have. Yes, Crescent I have. Yes, I have. These I started with H alpha recently. I have these also, the whole nebula. I have to check this. Pacman nebula, yes, we should do this as well. I don't have any comet. This I have all data. Well, you just saw before my Heart nebula. And the Soul nebula also, I should be able to do some editing now. No, this I don't have, or do I have it? No, I don't think so. Probably I have it. I think I have this one. But I don't have so much data to see this detail. Andromeda, Cave Nebula. Oh, I think this is the California, I don't know. What else? What else do we have? Cygnus Wall, yes, we should edit this. 80%, 20% left. I have this, the brain, the jelly. Very nice. Planets I don't. This I have really not a sufficient amount of data. I have to take more. I think this is the running chicken inside the Earth Nebula. Pacman again, Earth Nebula again. Let's see. So what I also have to edit, I have the following. 90%. I have the fossil nebula data that I have really to check. I don't know the quality yet, but it should be okay. And yeah, I think the weather in the next month will not be so nice, so it's time to edit all those photos and have some nice picture. %. We are almost there. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, very good. So let me do immediately those things that I promised to you. So this is actually my star mask. It's non-linear and I will use it later. So let's rename it star mask and L. Then I will do the following. I will extract the luminance from this image and I will rename it star mask and L black and white. Then let me reduce those. Here it is and here it is. Actually this image I will just leave it here, but I'm not sure that I will use it later. Now what I will do is I will clone this one and I will do the, so here we are in linear phase, so I will use the script as I described before, linear starnet. It is from Edoardo Luca Radice. He has the same name as me, Luca. I mean, Eduardo Luca, it's okay. So as we found before, 04 is the sweet spot. And I will now execute it on this image, which is linear. And in this way, I will have a starless image in a linear phase, which will be much better to, let's say, enhance the detail and let's say, having this core nebula popping off. So this also will take some time. So in the meantime, I want to check some more data that I have. So let's go on this hard disk. As I said, Andromeda, this is finished. This we will work in the next days. Cast Nebula, it's finished. We will finish. I have to check the quality of the oxygen data actually. Crescent, yes, it's actually all three data, and we have a good amount of all the three channels. Flaming Star, not so good. Iris, yes, we have some nice data. Penguin, we have nice data. Wizard, we have some good data. Then here we have Astrophotography, the Lion, we are editing it now. 20% in the meantime, and then let's go in this other hard disk. I have the Cave Nebula. I have quite I think I have 15 hours of data, which is absolutely not bad, and I really want to see how it's looking, and I think this one will be the next one. When I finish this one, I want to actually try the Cave Nebula. Here I have the Veil Nebula, and I have the Cygnus Wall plus more data of the Pelican, is it called the Pelican data? The Pelican Nebula? I think so, yes. Then let's go here. I have Able 85, some data for the elephant and the fossil. So I would say the Cave Nebula and the fossil, they should be the next one I edit. And then I have all these other two hard disks where I have gathered quite some data now. I mean, this summer until last new moon, it was really a nice period. And I have some more fossil data. Bode, Bubble Nebula, Cat's Eye. There is a lot to work with. I mean, with this data from the Lion, I'm seeing some very nice results, so I expect something very good also from these other targets. 45, I think that once we finish this last starnet, we can basically say that we are back to where we were before the crash, and I think we can then progress a bit more faster. Let's see Cave Nebula a bit. Cave Nebula. This is some RGB data, so later I will for sure I have only narrowband data, so it will look quite different, hopefully more colorful. If there is some example that I can compare, I think. Okay, yeah. Camera crashed during the StarNet. Too much power required. Okay, so this is the original one. I leave it here, and this is our starless version. So what I want to do now is I will do a clone. I will do a delinearization. Okay. I will extract luminosity, lightness, well, whatever is the name. What is this? Stick. I don't want you to stick, thank you very much. Then I will open a new image, new, set as active image, yes. Then I will use, as I did before, pixel matte, expression editor, and what I will do is, so basically this is image 34 clone 1. Actually it's the L minus StarNet black and white. Okay, then why is this different? Clone L. You know what? Then I don't do this. I will do like this then. I will take the original StarNet. I will extract the luminosity from here. And I have to put the correct name or I will get lost with those names. So identifier, we'll call a StarNet non-linear, black and white. Okay, you can go down. I will then make again a new image. So set as active image, correct. We can close this. And I will go to expression editor. So I will use StarNet black and white minus star mask black and white. Okay. No, but wait, I'm not sure why I'm doing this. No, forget about it. Last time I did the long way, this time I did the quick way, and I don't know why. I'm trying to subtract stars that are not there. So what I will do now is, actually, is linear? Yes. Oh, so sorry, it's non-linear, perfect. So I will do process, histogram transformation, preview, and I will clip all that I don't want to have here. I will make it quite light because I want to apply the enhancing of detail in this area, and also I actually want to make it quite lighter. Good. Okay, and I close this. I actually here I want to cancel these things here. Let me redo it again. So actually, yeah, like this should be okay. Like this should be okay. close, good. And you know, I want to enhance also this area here, because this is some nice nebulosity, so I want to increase the contrast there. So what I will do is, even if it's quite, let's say, not really fine tuning of the mask, I will just say clone stamp. Okay, so let me make not 30, and I will do like this. I will color white, or sort of white, also this area, because all this detail, dark nebulosity, I want them to pop. Here as well. Here as well. Here as well. You know what I should do? Forget about this, yes. I will do something that is actually more appropriate. I will use a range mask. Let's go. Oh. What is this? Okay, there we are. There we go. Okay, now let's modify the smoothness. Actually, like this is much better, I would say. Much better. Yeah, let's enlarge it a bit. Actually, I think like this it should be okay. And actually, it's also nice that we are not touching it, this one. And then I will go with the clone stamp, just because I don't need this area. So see, clone. There we go. Hey. Let me make it bigger. Oh, very nice. Let's put 99 here. Let's make it darker here, because I don't want any effect here. I don't want any effect here. Okay. So let's put it like this. Let's close it. I don't want any dynamic process on, and I will rename this mask for contrast and details. I mean, it's impossible to mistake this mask. This we put it back here. So now we do this. We apply the mask. Mask for contrast and detail, yes, correct. So as you can see now, where it's red, it's there, it's not going to touch it. Where it's not red, means that we are going to work on this. Okay, so I Ctrl K to not show the mask, but even if it's active. And I will go to multi-linear transform. So you know, I want to find, I used it, did I use it? This is noise reduction, no. Let's go here, but let's open it. multilinear scale transform. So what I will do is I will create this process and I will call him the noising, and then I will actually modify this one, so no noise reduction, absolutely no noise reduction, and the layer 2 and 3 I will add bias of 0.1. Now I want to create a preview to see how it's going to be. So let's go. Oh ho ho. So as you can see, well, maybe you cannot see very well, so let me I would say now it's quite contrasty. Maybe too much. Yeah, now it's popping. Let's just try to make a double effect. See the difference. It's not so bad. Actually, it's not so bad. Actually, it's not so bad, so I'm good to go on the real image. Is it done already? I think so. Yes, I like it. Look at this. Popping. Popping. See more in general here. Amazing. Amazing. So let's just see if we are over exaggerating it, then we will. I think it's slightly over exaggerated now. So let me see. I do 0.5. I do 0.5. Oh, is this stronger? I think this is too strong. What if I put a bigger value here? I suppose no bueno. 0.05. 0.005, and also I want to see here, I want to put also on this other layer wow. I think it should be okay. Okay. Clearly, I think like this is okay. Good. Let's show again this one. Okay. So now what I want to do is deposit. I want to. So I will. Wait. I want to do another try before. Let's go back to the none. Okay. So this is not the contrast one, so I want to try 0, 1 on these 3 layers. Is it too much? I guess so. And not sure I'm getting a better result than before. Ah. Okay, so I guess this is the best. I want to try other things now. Today we test minus 0.1. What will it be? So I want to do the preview. Let's reset. Okay, let's do like this. Preview, and then we have the 0 here. And this other preview. Reset. Oops. I am mistaken. Okay. Preview 01 like this. Preview 11 minus 0.1. Okay. Let's do a clone. Not easy, to judge. What is better? I don't know. This is more contrasty. This looks more natural actually. Let's do it again. You know that I like it more like this. Actually, it's true that there is more contrast. Okay, I decided. I go with the classic. Here I want 0, but this is too much. So I will do with that 0, 8. And that 0, 8 here. And well, 0.0.8, it doesn't exist. I think this is pretty balanced. Also in this light area, I like it how it looked like. I would say this is a good compromise. Okay, so I will create this process here and I will name it detail. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to invert the mask. But there is also this nice area here, huh? So just to make a quick check what's going to happen here. Ooh. Yeah, the noise is growing. I'm not sure here I'm getting any. It's not really. No, I don't like this. I will stay like this, and now I will go into the denoising, and let's see what's going to happen here. So I want to smooth this air. There is some color noise. Let's see what happens here. I will do pause abort. This is going to take too long. I want to do a quick feedback. So what I will do is I go on preview, I delete all, and I will make a new preview here. Good. We'll clone it 3 times. Very nice. So now I want to check what's going to happen on this small section. Let's see. It's taking some more time, even if it's a small section. And now we are targeting the RGBK components. So I will try all the different options, and I will check which one is actually giving better smoothing of the background. Okay, let's see here. Very faint, but quite nice, I have to say. So let's go now to chrominance restore. Let's go and see the chrominance effect. So RGBK chrominance is number 2. Layer 4. Let's see. It's taking quite some time. Okay, so I think that this luminance has a worse result. Chrominance, sorry. Lightness. I don't think this is any important thing, but let's see. Up to now, the RGBK has got the best results. So, okay, I was already thinking to actually they're very similar results. I think this lightness is having best results. Let's go with luminance. Let's go with luminance. So no, well, I would say same result is too. Then what should we do? Let's go back to RGBK. Let's do it again. Let's do it again 2-3 times. Let's see if we are really getting anything better, or we are just ruining the image. Let's see. So let's reset this one that we don't care, and let's see. Yeah, actually it's getting better, so I will use it a few times. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, let's check. Very light effect on the photo, which I actually prefer to go slowly on it rather than over processing it, even if it needs some more time. My M45 is when I saw it, actually I thought that's really a nice image. The spikes are so nice. It's actually a very nice picture, and you have deserved this upload. It's not so complicated target, but so nice. So let's go and check the detail. Yeah, I think you can really see, I want to try something else. Let me remove the mask. I want to see to remove the noise from everywhere, and then to improve the contrast. Let's say give a slightly smoother touch even inside the nebula, without this very small grainy noise. And then we try again to increase the detail. I hope we can get some good nice result. I think we will. It's taking some time. At least now it's fast to go from one mode to another because we saved the process with the settings. So we should be quite quick. Okay, so let's take a look at the big picture. All preview, delete all. Let's see the effect. Actually is smoothing without really losing any detail. I like it. I like it. Then let me apply one more time, and then I think it will be very nice smoothness level. And then we will just do another detail just to see. Probably I will have to lower the values, but should be okay. Yeah, I mean, this picture is so nice. It's really peaceful. Look, they are like paint brushes. Plus the spikes are so nice. It's very nice. Damien. I think I put a like on it already. Yeah, I mean, I didn't know that it was the upload. You can see the quality. Okay, so let's go and check again. Want to see in this area. What happened in... I really love it. I'm really loving it. Ooh, it's so nice. But actually here is getting too much. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so up until now we are okay. So let's go preview. Delete all. Mask. Remove. So everything now is noisy in the same way. And now we will apply the noise everywhere with the same amount. 2 times I think is the correct amount to have a nice, smooth, homogeneous gradient between the colors. Plus, so gentle that we are not losing the details, which is very nice. And then I will try just again. I will try again just some detail if it's giving a nice result. If not, we forget about it and we can go to the next stage where we can actually, I mean, just verify it. There is no loss of detail. No. Let's go second and last round. As you can see, there are some artifacts here, but I mean, this is unavoidable. We will get back to nice picture when we add the stars back. In the end, peeks inside, you can really make much nicer picture if you are good with mask making. Okay, let's check again. I really like now is smooth, yet the detail are preserved. What I will do now is I will go double click here on the detail and I will just select at 04 and at 04, a very light touch. But first let me put the mask again. Okay, good. Only here we want to see the details. Let's go. Oh. Let's see if we can just go slightly more. I think it's a bit too much. In between. I mean, I really don't want to overdo it. Yeah, I think this is okay. I really like it. Okay. So at this point, let's remove the mask. We have our nice lion. The nice details. I think that let's see what we can do here, but I think that in the linear phase we're really done now. Because if I try to use the, for example, the curve, where is the curve's transformation? Yeah, I will get weird things. Okay, so actually I will do like this. SHO L. Then we'll just make a duplicate so that we can go back anywhere, anytime. I will do a screen transfer function. Oh, probably this is too much. Was ist das? What's this? Oh, but sorry. I need histogram transformation. They look almost the same. Okay. Oh. Okay, so we are in the non-linear stage. Let me see, it's a bit too light, this image. Let's make it like this. I would say I want it quite dark where it's dark. And now let's go more into the details. So I want to let's say leave the dark part as it is, but I want to enhance more the lights, the light part. I don't want to clip it, so let's go in this area. I think I'm clipping things. As you can see, there is some weird thing. So yeah, I like this. Let's see. Oh, my mouse is not so nice. Yeah, maybe not too much, but yeah, some nice highlight on this. Okay, this I can accept. Then let's reset it. I'm going to really work on the detail here. So now I want to let's say work only on this area. Yeah, so oh, that's complicated, huh? It's really complicated. Like this. There is some contrast here, which is quite nice. Let's go back. Let's go again here. SHO clone. Let's check. Ooh. Maybe too much contrast. Let's reset. Very subtle. Yeah, I like the contrast of this light, it's more visible, so I think I will stay like this. Okay, then. What about the colors? It's a bit... Okay, so let's zoom this area. I think like this is much better, but also here I don't want to overdo it. I want to have aliens. Something like this. Yeah, like this is quite okay. Let's go back and see overall. I think it's a good balance. Okay. So now what else? The hue. Let's see the color. Some psychedelic lion. Okay, let's reset. Let's go with this, let's say, harsh line mode. So, do we want it reddish or do we want it yellowish? Mm. I think slightly reddish. Oh, like an orange. But the blue I don't want to change. The small details here, huh? Do I like it? Do I like it? There is some slight orange there. Maybe too much. Just a tint, not too much. Like this is okay. Let's see. Where is it? SHO, clone. Yeah, I think like this, there is this transition between this gold and bronze. Okay, then it is too exaggerated, so we go back. I actually yeah, this is the final version. Okay, I think here luminosity. Oof. Oh, I like this darkish. I think with curves transformation for the moment we are okay. Then, what else can we do? Let's go to just color saturation, because here I have an interface which is quite better in my opinion to. So let's go also here in preview. Let's see. Let's say I leave it like this. I'm not sure, it's not bad. So like this, what we can do is we can highlight only the yellow, the red, but actually the yellow itself I don't want. The red I don't want to highlight it more than it is. Just want the yellow actually. Not so bad, maybe. Oh, maybe too much. Is it? Much shallow. One peak only. I want to delete it. Okay, so let's go back here. Shallow clone. Yeah, not bad, not bad. This slight change. Let me see the blue. Do I need to do anything on this? It giving any added value? Picture. Here is. Ooh. No, I think I will leave it like it is. Just the yellow, yeah. It's nice to have some more. Not too bad, not too bad. Absolutely not too bad. What I want to do it now, so let's reduce this. We have our nice lion. This we don't need. Just want to make a quick check. Okay, so let's work on the stars. There is something here that for sure is not good. So let's go curve, transformation, let's go to saturation. Okay, please help me. I mean, I don't want them to be completely color. Star mask now. But this area I don't like. So I want to try this. Red. What's going to happen here? Oh wait. Green. Yeah, I think now it's much better. Good. Very good. So let me duplicate this. Because in case I want to be able to go back. I will just make a new image. Okay. And now let's do some pixel math. So a shallow clone, and then we have this one is called okay. Okay. Let's see. Oh, not bad. Actually, not bad. Still, those stars are quite invasive. So let's go back. And here we will do morphological transformation bit, morphological selection, and we will do iteration 2. Let's see. So now let's go here. You know, so now it's not bad. Let's do it again. Let's do it again and let's see what's the level. The stars now are quite gentle, actually. I'm starting to like it. I'm really starting to like it. They're not so intrusive. Go here. Oh. Let's duplicate this. Let's keep it here and let's start doing some testing. And I want to do again morphological transformation. And now let's do it again. Wow, 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 wow. However, to me this looks like the correct amount. Here is a bit poor of star. I think. What do you think, guys? Which one should it be? I think they are both fine. They are both. I think I will select the one on the left. It has some more star, but still not so hard. But I like also the one on the right. Let's go with less star time. Now, one last adjustment. Wait. I really have to adjust these small details around the bright stars. Okay, let's do the following. Let's just kill. You know what? Curve saturation. Curve. No, color saturation, sorry. Okay. Let's go here. Okay, no. is one that is really popping. Ah. Okay. Okay, like this. Then let's do like this. There we go. Okay. I have to fix these stars, but this will take some time. And I think for the moment, I think this is totally okay. I have some nice detail. The stars here are a bit weird. Let's go back to the origin. Let's see. Oh, where is it? We had these blue bloody things here. Well, this is how it started. This is how it's going to end. Yeah, the stars here are too noisy. Here is much more peaceful, cleaner. Colors different, but this doesn't mean anything. Just one last thing. Just one last check. Curves, curves, curves. So let's go here, let's go here, let's go here, let's go with the U. Let's go. No, it's okay. Is it? Yeah, this is too yellowish. It's okay. I would say that this is totally okay. And let's do some cropping. Do we need all this background here? Yeah, we will do different version, and then we will see which is the best. So let's take it like this. Crop it. No, let's go back. Let's see. Yeah. Save this. Save as Lion V1. 100% quality. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you for the format working. Warning, histogram transformation. Just what's if it's darker. I think this was the correct luminosity for this image. I mean, I adjusted everything on that, so let's go and see one last time, then will be it for the stream. Where is the lion? Lion V1. This was also nice color actually, yeah? More on the dark brown. Not bad. You know, I actually like more this one. Then let's continue. Curves, want the color. Oh no. Oh, that's it for tonight. This is the version. Thank you very much for watching. See you probably after tomorrow.